If you guys are like my kids, we have so much stuff, especially toys. You can take those things and turn them into fun, simple math activities, such as sorting. Simply take some of your things, gather them together, and decide what attributes you want to sort them by. You already have so many things lying around your house. Simply gather those things together and get to sorting. I'm going to show you a simple way to make math activities fun for your children. This activity could not be simpler. You need to look around your house and find what items need to be sorted. It can be things like manipulatives that we use for simple math things, like the pom-poms, or toys that you have, or you could even bring in some laundry and get your kids to help you sort laundry. Next, you need to decide what you want to sort the items by. What attributes do they have? What color? What shape? What size? Or ask your kids what they want to sort the items by. Let their creativity go and have fun with it. Okay guys, today we are going to do some sorting. Now sorting can be by shape or by...
put them in here.
Yeah, or what else could we sort?
What sizes?
Color. And by sizes, if they're big or if they're small. Okay, this is by color.
I'm gonna do color.
Okay, and this is by shapes. And that's by sizes down there by you, Benjamin. Uh-oh. Sorting involves being able to see what the likes and differences are between two items. You can ask your kids, what is the same about these two items? Or what's different about them? Really get their brains thinking.
Medium.
Good job. Nice.
Big, giant.
Ooh, I like the large pom-poms. I forget, how many sides does a rectangle have?
One, 2, 3. Oh.
Good.
I'm trying to find a little slide.
Another rectangle. Hey, Silas, we haven't found any squares yet. What size squares? Go
Stop.
What is it?
I can do rectangle.
Oh, nice. You could even create a Venn diagram by using two hula hoops and talking about what qualities do they have that they share. Sometimes sorting can be a little difficult, and Mama wants to show you that sometimes they can share things. So see these blocks right here? You see how like these are the same like size right here? But are they the same color?
No.
Are they the same shape, Benjamin?
Yes.
Yeah, they're the same shape, so they have that in common. This over here, we can put this shape and this shape.
They're not the same.
But guess what? See how these overlap each other? See how these circles touch each other? Yes, so if it shares two characteristics, like the shape and the color, it can go in between.
This one.
Yeah.
Because they're the same shape and the same color.
Good job.
That's what we're trying to find.
My kids had a lot of fun sorting today. They got to use things like toys that they had around the house, some beads, some pom-poms. They even got to use their stuffed animals and sort them by different attributes. Okay, boys, now that you've learned all about sorting, I need some helpers.
Wow.
We need to clean our room. Look at these animals that are everywhere. Now, remember all the different things you can use for sorting?
Yeah.
The different characteristics you use,
We
color,
can put them in here.
or kind of animal, or size, whatever you want to do. So what do you guys want to separate your animals by?
I want to separate it by dogs.
Okay, by dogs, which bin is going to be the dogs? What else can we separate them by?
Giraffes.
You know what?
Let's do the giraffe in here.
Let's put safari animals in the orange. So safari animals in the orange, puppies in the green.
Puppy.
We can do, what can go in the pink one?
Ooh.
Birds. Let's put the birds in the pink one. Are you ready to use your sorting skills to clean up?
Yeah.
All right, on your mark, get set, go!
Dun,
Dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun, dun.
dun.
So sorting is really fun because I think kids naturally like to analyze what categories they need to go into. So it was fun for them to take their toys, the beads, the pom-poms, sort them by shape, by size, by color. They also had a lot of fun choosing what they wanted to sort their animals by. I think the Venn diagram was a little difficult for these guys, and it might have been a little difficult for me to explain to them. So it took them a minute to really understand that they could share more than one or two characteristics. Sorting opportunities abound in your home. It helps the child really get their mind thinking creatively about these things. Also, you could make a fun game out of it. Set a timer. Ask the kids to quickly sort the items and clean up the room. It's a win-win for all. What parent doesn't love that?